Like humans, prairie dogs create communities known as towns. Hundreds of thousands of these settlements can be found scattered across the Great Plains of North America. Prairie dogs' homes are laid out a little bit like a human village. Each individual burrow is a cozy home for one family, with direct relatives living just next door. Each burrow has a nursery, bedrooms, and yes, even dedicated toilets. This young male spends much of his waking life maintaining and expanding the town's infrastructure. And it's a never-ending task, not one I'd like to be stuck with. The plains are drenched every year by seasonal downpours, but these ground-dwelling engineers have a clever system in place. They have specially designed guttering to funnel rainwater away from the holes during heavy downpours, keeping their homes safe and dry. And when the summer sun beats down, they've got that covered too. Their tunnels feature a natural ventilation system, angled to catch the breeze and keep fresh air circulating through the underground labyrinth.